Well, hey everybody, 650 here. Welcome home to the channel. It's 90 degrees, steaming hot here at Sills Motor Sales. And today is a special day because we're about to randomly select the winner for season 12 of the new bike build series, featuring that beautiful 2023 Aprilia RSV4 factory speed white that we have nicknamed the Grape Ape. So I'm gonna wheel that bike inside the shop and let's see what Zach's up to. Zach!
Today's the big day.
That's right.
Bike build giveaway day.
That's right.
Someone else will wind up with this awesome Aprilia Racing RSV4 factory motorcycle that's had a bunch of improved parts put on it, cosmetically and performance-wise.
Yep.
And it's got velocity stacks from Bren Tuning on it, Bren Tuning flash on it, this awesome seat cover from Louis Moto.
As always.
Pirelli tires, of course.
Yep.
And Samco hoses, engine ice in it. Fix some coolant problems along the way.
Yep.
And,
perfect machine.
Yeah, ready to go.
Yeah. So
NRC tail tidy.
Oh yeah.
What are those OZ Racing wheels or no?
Yeah, OZ Racing.
Are they OZ?
Gas wheels, painted purple. They look amazing.
Deleted all the safety stickers.
Yep. I remember we did that. Yeah.
And yeah, this bike's been all over the place.
Yeah,
been in Florida, been here.
Yep.
Didn't you pick it up from Texas?
Yep, they had, we had
everywhere.
it delivered, shipped from Texas.
Yeah. So we got the normal setup going on here. We got first and second place.
Yep. The motorcycle, $500 cash for second place. And we've got the Google random number generator.
And we got our list, which what that generates, the number that it generates, we're gonna go to that in the spreadsheet, and that will be the name.
You got it.
So what are we gonna do first? That's the question.
How do we normally do it? Do we normally do
number one?
Okay.
I don't remember how we normally do it.
Yeah, I think one is the winner. One is the bike.
One is the bike. The first one we pick is the bike?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it then. Ready?
Okay. 12-4-1-7. 12-4-1-7 on the list. $12-4-1-7.
All right, so we got 12-4-1-7, all right?
12-4-1-7, yeah. Let's see right there. Devan Wilkerson. Wow. Devan Wilkerson. 12-4-1-7 matches up perfectly. Now we got to figure out where this guy lives.
Yup. Where are you off to?
Yeah.
And then second place for $500.
You got it. Generate. 3385.
Low number.
3385. This person will get $500 instant cash via Cash App, PayPal, whatever they want to use.
And we have got 3385. Japeth?
Yeah, Japeth Morrow. That's him. All right. So now I've got to reach out to those individuals and hopefully they get back in touch with me so that we can get them on Zoom to surprise them with their winnings.
It's in Sharpie marker, it's official.
It's official. Let's check it out.
Yeah. Hopefully we can get a hold of them. We'll try to get them on Skype, get some reactions, and it's always a good time.
All right.
We'll be right back.
Okay, Zach, we got him. Devan? Is that how do you pronounce your name exactly?
You're actually one of the first people to get it right the first time.
Oh, Devan, very cool, man.
It's always Devan.
Oh, really? Let's see if we could turn this up a little bit. Okay. Okay, how you doing today, man?
I'm doing well, I hope you are.
Okay, let me turn it down a little bit.
Thanks for getting back to us quickly.
Yes, sir, we really appreciate that, buddy.
Not a problem.
So, thank you so much for supporting the new bike build series. We have some fantastic news for you.
Okay.
Okay, Zach, if you want to record a little second.
Yeah, sure.
We have, in my possession right here, Devan, I've got, I don't know if you can see this, 1, 2, 3, for 500 United States dollars.
Awesome.
Yes. So $500 for you for supporting the new bike build series.
Awesome. Awesome.
How does that make you feel?
That's great. That's great.
Wow. Wow. Thank you so much for your support, man. I really appreciate it. You know.
I appreciate you guys.
Yeah. I got a question for you though.
Okay.
Would you be willing to trade this $500 for this motorcycle behind me?
I don't even have to think about that. Of course.
Then let's make it happen. You have won this motorcycle, sir. You have won the motorcycle.
Oh man.
Sorry for teasing you a little bit.
You got first place.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, you got me. You got me.
Got him. Got him.
Oh man. Oh, that's. Oh wow.
This is fantastic.
Oh, man.
This is great.
Yeah. That was a good one, Eve. I think you had him going.
Thank you, Zach. Yeah. That was a good one, huh?
Yeah. Nope, it's official in black
It's
Sharpie
official. Yep,
marker.
there you go. Take a look at that.
You can see it.
Man.
We did the drawing. Yeah, man, we did the drawing earlier today, and your name was randomly selected from our list.
You were number 12,417, and that's what came up on Google Random Number Generator for first place. So you get the bike, pit bull front and rear stands, a launch mat, and some Motool products to keep her looking good.
Yes, you do.
Oh man. Oh wow.
So where you from, man?
Yeah. No, here's so. Yeah, where you from? Where do you live?
North Carolina. I'm about an hour. I'm about an hour west of Charlotte, North Carolina. If you know where that is.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm right. I'm in that area.
Cool. Very cool, man. I was just down there. I was down there twice. I was down there last week.
You were in Greer, right?
Yeah, I was in Greer. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I was down there. I was down there last weekend, Devan. I was there with Yamaha. I was riding the tail of the Dragon.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I like the tail, man. I rode it several times myself.
Well, guess what? You have the perfect bike, kind of, sort of, for
Kind of, sort of.
for the tail. I mean, it's a lot of power for the tail of the Dragon. Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful bike. I love the purple wheels, man. That's awesome.
Well, guess what, my friend? It's your bike. It is your beautiful bike.
It is your bike.
So get used to that. Let it sink in somehow.
That's
Do you got a bike currently?
Yeah. Do you have a bike right now?
Yeah, I have a few old schools, and I have some sport bikes as well. I ride a Suzuki 1000 is my track bike, and
nice.
I got a ZX6. That's a street bike right now.
Very nice. Very nice.
I got a couple of old KG 1000s that I ride as well.
Oh, nice.
Very nice, brother. Very nice.
Keeping the carburetors going.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
A lot of work.
Oh, yeah.
Well, this is fantastic,
man,
my
awesome.
friend. Yeah.
It is awesome.
Yeah.
Cool, man. We're excited for you.
Very excited for you.
Man. Wow. It's a
You're all
beautiful
plugged
bike.
in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was going to give you a tour of the bike, but we're all plugged in with the laptop, so can't. You've seen it before, though, in the videos. It's still the same.
I've been following the build series and everything, and it's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for following along. We appreciate the support.
Yeah, it's fantastic, man. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, man. So the next steps, I'm going to ask the owner here of Sills, Pam. She's a notary public. And this motorcycle comes with a clean title. I do have some sort of tax document that I got to get over to you to sign. And then we got to get you the title so you can get plates for this bike. And then off camera, I'll give you a call back in just a few. And we will talk about how quickly I can get this bike down to North Carolina for you.
Absolutely. That's fantastic. That's fantastic.
Sir. Yeah, man. But once again, man, congratulations. If you do me a favor, if you could do me a favor and log back onto Patreon and just leave a message to all the rest of the patrons, letting them know that we contacted you and that you won the bike and that we're making arrangements to get it to you, that'll be fantastic.
Okay, so just do it in the I guess the regular message board there. Yeah.
I left a post just a little while ago saying that the winners had been selected. If you could go to that post and just drop a message, everybody will get it. They'll read it and they'll probably congratulate you as well.
Absolutely, I sure will.
Okay, man. Well, thanks again, man. I'm gonna.
Congrats.
Yeah, congrats from Zach.
Thanks, man. Thank you.
Yep. So,
awesome.
I'll give you a call back on the phone here in a little bit, Devan.
All right, sounds good.
Okay, thanks again, buddy.
All right, thanks, guys.
Later, man. Oh, perfect timing. That never happens.
What a cool guy, huh?
Yeah, that's perfect.
He was genuinely surprised.
He was. You had him going with you had me going with the 500 bucks. Like, did he just switch it? We're keeping the bike?
Yeah.
Of all bikes to keep, we're keeping this one?
Right, yeah.
No, that's cool though. He seems super excited, motorcycle guy, so.
Yes. He's got some older bikes. He's got a ZX6.
Yeah.
Yep, so yeah, this
good
bike will
old
be
KZs
great.
And so he's got a 1000cc track bike, so that's good.
Yep.
Shouldn't be too much power for him, and should be safe and everything, you know?
Yeah.
So that's all good stuff.
Awesome,
and you don't
man.
have to go too far.
No. So let's let your beautiful compressor, there, it silenced itself, thank gosh.
Yeah.
Let's do that. And we got some stuff to show the folks. We got some Insta360 stuff they sent me.
Yeah, where'd you put that box at?
I put it back in the car. And then we got to show the guys the next bike that we're working on for Lucky Number Season 13 of the Build Series. Zach, you got to check out all the cool stuff that Insta360 sent me.
I know, you put this box here. I was just looking through it. It's crazy, all the stuff they sent you.
Yep.
You got this action cam.
Yeah, that's the beautiful X4 360 cam right there.
Yeah, that's the popular motorcycle one that you see on the stick all the time,
yes.
right? Or hanging down by our wheel.
Yep.
Makes some awesome footage though.
It does.
Got another camera here. Looks like the Go 3S.
That's a nice one. So that one is one I can like stick on me and stuff, and I can have it on my hat and all that.
So it's kind of like a GoPro, but a little different.
Yeah.
Cool, cool. We got a preview remote.
That thing is awesome. I've seen my good buddies that have that. It'll kind of show you what those cameras are filming.
Yeah, it shows like if you probably got it on your head on a bike, you could watch what you're filming actually, make sure you're not looking just dead at the ground or something.
And most importantly, you can start and stop the recordings.
What else you got in here? Oh, we got the chest strap. That would come in handy with this guy, I'm sure.
Yes.
And then we got the famous invisible selfie stick.
Yes.
That comes in handy with that guy.
Can you believe how that thing just disappears when people are filming with it?
It is pretty crazy. You never see the stick. Sometimes it pokes through a little bit, but not very often, not very often. We got some screen protectors, not too exciting there. Microphone wind muffs.
Oh, we need that.
Heavy duty clamp. Looking for this guy over here.
Yep.
If you had a bike that had handlebars. Oh, if you still had your GS, you could clamp it on.
Oh, look at that.
I don't think the V4 has any guards on it, does it?
I don't think so.
No, it doesn't. What's this? Oh, a motorcycle U-bolt mount to get that hidden selfie stick mounted to your bike.
We need that.
I don't know what that is. Some suction mounts?
Yes, those are nice.
Corvette stuff, maybe? Mm-hmm. Extra battery always comes in handy.
Yes,
I don't know,
absolutely.
I'm not sure which one that's for, do you know?
Probably for the X4.
Vertical and horizontal action mount set. So that looks like it's for that guy because it would protect the little part of the camera, huh?
Yes.
This little
yes, you're correct.
camera guy there.
Love all this stuff.
A ring mount for that selfie stick. Yeah, they really hooked you up here.
They did.
I'm gonna be busy mounting stuff, I feel like.
Yes.
Microphone wind muff for the camera itself.
Yep.
Premium lens guard. Off-road.
Definitely
cool.
need that, man. Absolutely.
A lens cap.
Yep.
A high-speed memory card, hopefully.
I need that, yes.
512 gigabytes. That's huge.
So it's something that they recommend, so I shouldn't have any issues with saving stuff now. This is awesome.
Oh, a magnet pennant safety cord. Probably so like if you're using a suction cup or something, you could keep it from flying. Let's take a look at these cameras, actually.
Yeah, man.
I've never really used one of these.
Me neither. So I've got a little bit of learning to do, but it's okay.
Oh, you haven't used one either?
No, I've used their competitor. They say that this one's a lot easier to use.
Okay.
So I'm looking forward to it.
Nice quality box.
Yep. iPhone-esque.
Yep. Wow.
I've wanted this camera for a long time, Zach. Isn't it nice?
That is a nice looking camera.
Yeah. Our good buddy Vic Lee uses this camera all the time and produces some amazing footage. Awesome. Super excited. This is great. I feel like I won something today. We just gave the bike away, but I did win a nice package of stuff from Insta360.
Yeah, and they're keeping you busy. Where are they sending you off to?
I should be going to the final round of Moto America at New Jersey Motorsports Park. That's going to be fun, man.
Heck yeah, they put on a good show at Mid-Ohio.
Yep.
And I know you got some good footage for these guys there.
Yeah, I saw you cruising around on the electric scooter.
I was having a good time riding around on the CEO4 and Groms and such.
Oh, look at that little guy.
This is pretty nice looking.
Yeah, and it disconnects from there, man.
Yeah.
How, I don't know. Oh, no, just like that. Okay.
That's not bad. Yeah, I guess it's not really heavy.
Very cool.
But if you do want the bigger unit, you can use it that way, huh?
Yep.
Screen rotates.
Yeah.
Competitors doesn't do that. It's not very heavy or anything.
Let's see. I'm super excited. It's not. Look at that thing.
You'll have to let me try the chest mount on the dirt bike.
Okay. Yeah.
We'll get you some woods footage. Cool, man.
Outstanding.
Fun stuff for you.
Yeah.
Fun stuff for Devan.
Yes.
Or Devan.
Devan, I was going to say.
My bad, my bad.
Yeah. We're going to start pronouncing his name wrong, and he just told us that we did it right the whole time.
But.
So cool, man. Let's take a look at the bike that we're using for lucky number 13.
We do. We have it here already. It showed up like a week ago or so.
Yep.
So it's got a little dust on it, but not too bad. Yeah, we could leave it out here probably, huh?
Yeah.
So we have a very bone stock S1000. If you notice, no electronic suspension. It has standard suspension. There's a reason for that. It does have the SOS button, so we can talk about that a little bit. That'll be cool.
Yeah.
But it does not have cruise control. But I think we can go through the process and add cruise control on. You can see that whole thing's missing.
I see that, yeah.
We do not have heated grips, so we can go through the process and add them on, or we could actually put cool domino grips or something on it.
That's what Manny wants to do. He wants to use awesome grips now.
Yeah.
On the bike.
Or we could put awesome grips on and send the heated grips along.
Yeah, that's what
Or if the person wants it, I can put the heated grips on. It's not that big a deal to put the heated grips on.
Yeah.
We'll get rid of these crummy cast wheels because I can't stand these wheels. I'm sorry.
Neither. They're horrible.
I'm a cheapskate, but if I were buying an S1000, I'd pay whatever the extra is to get at least the forged wheels.
Forged, yes.
Forged wheels at a minimum. They're a pain in the butt to put tires on. They're heavy. I don't know. I've actually seen them break.
Wow. They're going bye-bye. This bike will have either the OZ Racing wheels or carbon fiber wheels. Brock's Performance has a new set of carbon wheels that are coming out that Manny's going to to get for us, actually.
BST or Brock's?
I'm sorry. BST.
Through Brock's?
Through Brock's,
Yeah, because Brock's, everything goes through Brock's for BST.
Yep.
That'd be cool. I like using BST wheels. Literally, since we've been using carbon fiber wheels, I have seen no failures at my shop. I know I've seen a bunch of stuff going around now that there can be cracks and stuff. Even BMW put out a bulletin saying that they've seen some cracks, but they're not worried about them. But it is due to being rough with the wheel, but I don't know how rough can you be with this wheel.
Right.
I've had 2 of these rear wheels fail.
Wow.
But hopefully the plan is to strip this down pretty far, get the braking miles on it, of course, do the first service, take it out, get a couple more miles on it, make sure we've got a good base here to work off of. Once we know there's no manufacturing defects for say, strip this thing down pretty far and build it back up like an awesome S1000 like we always do. Hopefully find some new parts that maybe you haven't seen yet or are new on the market, see how they fit, see if they work, what we usually do.
All right.
And then turn out a sweet bike at the end.
You got it, man, as always.
And give it to someone.
Someone else, somebody cool like Devan.
And a line on an Excel sheet.
Yep.
That's all it takes.
Yep.
And Google random number generator. But yeah, hopefully right off the bat we can do something cool, like get a tail tidy on it and put those winglets on it and maybe wheels or something. Okay. Well, thank you, Zach. Yeah, thanks for tuning in and thanks for joining us for the Aprilia bike build series. I know it was all over the place, a little, but we learned some cool stuff along the way, and the bike actually runs really strong. Yes, it does. It's a good running bike. He's gonna love riding it. Yeah. Sounds like he's in a good spot to ride, so pretty cool stuff. Absolutely. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thank you, Zach, for all your hard work. We'll catch you with this on the bench. Yeah. Thanks, Ebe. Yep, anytime, man. Thanks for lunch, Ebe. Anytime, yeah. And yeah, we got to charge up all this stuff so you can start playing with it. I know, right? I'm excited. I got weekend plans now with all this stuff. Heck yeah. All right, guys, thanks for viewing. I'm gonna get back on the phone with Devan and get his bike situated and get it sent down to him right away. So if you guys wanna hang out with us when I'm down in North Carolina, let me know. Thank you, Zach. Cool. Catch you guys.